Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are you? Hope so. You are good. So today I'm going to discuss with you uh, a topic of integration. So I have taken section 80.3, chapter integral calculus, and book is Applied Mathematics by Frank S. Black. So question number 27 from section 80.3. Okay, so why I have chosen this question? Because we cannot solve this question according to rule number 8. We were following the rules, right? So according to rule number 8 from this book, you see rule number 8 at book Frank S. Barney. Okay, now I write down rule number 8 here, and then you understand more better. So integration of f prime x e raised power f of x dx, and integration of this function, integration of this product functions would be like e raised power f of x plus c. You see why we cannot solve, why we are limited, and we cannot use rule number 8. So because of, you see f of x here is x squared. Okay, so derivative of x squared is d over dx of x squared is 2x, but we can find here, you see here 2x. So how we can solve? According to book, we can reduce rule number 8, so we can solve this question. But now I'm going to show you how to solve this problem. Okay, so you want to solve this type of problem. Okay, then you must know things. Okay, so I hope you are familiar with rule number 8, right? So that's why we cannot solve this question, right? So we do not have f prime x besides this exponential exponential of exponential of x squared. Okay, so now how we can solve? Okay, let you know. Okay, can we modify this function, or we know something? Okay, now I'm right here. We know that integration of e raised power minus x squared dx is equal to root pi over 2 error function plus c. Okay, so if you know these things, then we can solve this problem. Okay, now I want to show you. So integration of e raised power x squared. So you see here minus x squared, right? So if I write minus by myself, okay, can I write? No, because this doesn't make balance. Okay, so what I do? So I do like minus x squared, minus plus, right? Now no changes. Okay, we can write like this way. Okay, this is the first step. Second step would be like, you must know iota square is minus 1. We use this property. E raised power minus, because why I'm doing, because according to formula, x power square means if I write x power square dx, but this minus sign we cannot accommodate. And now question becomes change now. So what we do, this minus one, minus one is equal to, you see here minus one. I can write like a coefficient of x square is minus one, right? So what I do, just I use minus one is equal to iota. Okay, iota x square, and then you use v formula. Okay, but according to formula minus x square, but not iota. What I do, suppose we use supposition method. Okay, let's suppose ix is equal to, let's suppose a new variable is u, and where ix is equal to u and x is equal to 1 over I u, and now I'm taking derivative, dx is equal to 1 over I, derivative of u is du. This is substitution method. This is the first equation. Function. I mean, I'm writing this like first equation. How this? I suppose I is equal to this. Okay, so I just are now changing the variable dx by du. Okay, this is du. Okay, so I is equal to integrand of e is I is equal to here, this is second step, this is first step, this is third step. Okay, I is equal to okay, this is capital I. This is just have taken supposition. You can choose another number, a variable. Let's suppose A, B, C, whatever you want. Okay, so I is equal to integrand of e raised power minus iota x. Iota x is equal to u square. Okay, and dx dx is equal to 1 over I du. So instead of dx, this is dx, we write 1 over I du. Okay, so I is equal to 1 over iota. I take 1 over iota outside. E raised power minus u square du. Okay, this is full equation. Okay, so now we can use this in a formula. So fifth equation would be like I is equal to the second, third, this is okay. Step like going this like and this like. Okay, I is equal to 1 over I integrand of e raised power minus u square, and here is minus x square, would be like root pi over 2 L function of not x, because here u here e raised power minus u square du, where is u here, so f of u plus c. We know u is equal to iota x, so I is equal to 1 over I root pi over 2 L function of iota x. Instead of u, we can write iota x plus c. So now we have solved this problem. Okay, so don't say we cannot solve this problem, but according to work, Frank's birthday, because you are BBA students, so that's why maybe it's writer Frank's buddy doesn't want to make you trouble. I'm kidding. Okay. Anyway, so I have solved this problem. Okay. I hope you understand this question. So this, I know this is most difficult question for you, dear students like BBA, you who are studying in BBS like studies. But I hope make you very simple, right, for you. Okay. Please keep remember you pray, and thanks for watching. Please share my channel to your uh, colleagues, your friends. Okay. I'm really thankful to you guys, you students. Really, you always support me. And thank you. Allah Hafiz.